guys, and welcome back to Excel Share Academy. So here I am again with a very interesting interview type questions. So this question is a little complicated because many a time students have not heard about such genetic disorders and all, and then asking why, the reason, like what's the genetic disorder, the reason behind that. So this is one example, and in this once what happened was like we have asked this question and. We were expecting the students to give the answer, but the students didn't know the idea. So she said that she never heard this word itself. So we gave the entire, background about that particular disease, and at the end, still asking the question. So she must have actually guessed the answer, but it was really very easy, but she couldn't. So here I am just, giving a different experience. I'm sharing my different experience with you, like what kind of questions can be asked. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं कि आपके साथ भी ऐसा हो, होता है, जरूरी नहीं कि आपको हर चीज मालूम हो, ठीक है. Anyways, so we'll try to get the answer from the question itself. So researchers have mapped mutation associated with diseases such as disc keratosis congenital to the DNA encoding the RNA component of the telomerase. Guys, if you see, actually इसमें already हमने बहुत कुछ कह दिया है, ठीक है. Now what they're asking the question is, describe why the defects in the RNA component of the telomerase are associated with the disease. तो इसमें इतना नहीं सोचना है कि मैंने ये बीमारी कभी सुनी ही नहीं है, होता है. बहुत सारे साइंटिस्ट, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं मालूम होता है कि डिस्क केराटोसिस कंजेनिटल क्या है. द पर्सन हु इज टीचिंग मोल बायो माइट बी नोइंग, बट नॉट नेसेसरली द अदर्स विल नो अबाउट इट, ठीक है. सो लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू ब्रीफली अबाउट दिस जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर. Okay, so you have got many different names of this disorder. तो आपको मालूम है बेसिकली जो साइंटिस्ट सबसे पहले पता करता है वो उसके नाम पे भी हो जाता है. तो इसमें क्या होता है, दैट यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग द एब्नॉर्मल स्किन पिगमेंटेशन, नेल डिस्ट्रॉफी भी होता है, ठीक है, एंड ल्यूकोप्लाकिया भी हो सकता है, बट जरूरी नहीं कि हमेशा ये सबको हो. नाउ मेनी टाइम्स पीपल डू गेट कंफ्यूज विद द प्रोजेरिया. सो प्रोजेरिया आपने सुना होगा, दैट इज लाइक एजिंग डिसऑर्डर. तो बचपन से ही, द मोमेंट द बेबी इज बॉर्न, ही और शी लुक्स वेरी ओल्ड. आपने मूवी देखी होगी अमिताभ बच्चन की पा वाले, तो सेम डिसीज. सो समटाइम्स दिस डिसऑर्डर एंड प्रोजेरिया लुक्स अलाइक, ठीक है. एनीवेज, सो दिस डिसऑर्डर इज एक्चुअली characterized by the presence of the short telomers, ठीक है. Now what is the question? Why the defects in the RNA component of telomerase are associated with disease? अब आपको इसमें लिंक बनाना है कि हम क्या बता चुके हैं और क्या पूछ रहे हैं, ठीक है. So obviously the telomerase has got the RNA component. ये एक हिंट हो गया. दूसरा हिंट क्या है, that it has got the short telomers. Now guys, आपको लॉजिकली थिंक करके इसको कनेक्ट करके आपको आंसर देना है, ठीक है. नाउ हाउ यू गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस? सो शॉर्ट टेलोमर्स, RNA component of the telomerase is having the defect. So what does it mean? It means that the telomerase is not able to extend the ends of the chromosome, ठीक है. And we know that to extend the ends of the chromosome, that is in order to prevent the end replication problem, the RNA component actually act as the template, right? It acts as the template, and then what happens? The ATRH sequence आपका हम इसमें synthesize करते जाते हैं, right? And this is how the telomerase will extend the length of the telomeres at the end of the chromosome. Now the thing is that this RNA component is not functional. So what will happen? Telomerase is not functional, and hence the chromosome will have short telomeres. So eventually after 2-3 replication, what will happen? They start losing the important genes from the end of the chromosomes, which are important, okay, for the cell to function. So this is what is happening. So overall, what you have to just talk about is how exactly the RNA component of telomerase is important for keeping or maintaining the telomeres end in the cell, okay, of the chromosome. So this is what you have to discuss about. So already in the last lecture of the Watson summary series for the DNA replication, I have talked about the telomerase in detail. And guys, whenever it is possible, use your marker, pen or paper, pencil, board, whatever is possible, explain them with the diagram. Because when you explain them with the diagram, and it shows that how much the concepts are clear in your mind. So that will be projected to the interviewers. So if you can do, if they allow, then it is better to express your answers in the diagram form. Okay. So anyways, I hope you got the answer over here. राइट सो आप देख रहे होंगे कि कुछ क्वेश्चंस बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हैं जो मैंने सामने रखे, एंड कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो रहते हैं बहुत डायरेक्ट होते हैं, बट स्टिल इवन व्हेन यू फेस द डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस समटाइम्स यू आर नॉट एबल टू आंसर. सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस विद मी. Okay, and we will try to solve all the questions and try to justify our interview. So guys, all the best. Okay, keep practicing the interview type questions, keep practicing your MCQs also, because we need to clear CSR exam also, so that we can reach at the level of the interview. Okay, so all the best guys, take care, stay safe.